the Scottish supporters, we're faithful to our team. We'll follow them to Wembley, Liverpool or Argentine. We'll follow them forever, we'll travel far and wide. Now let us introduce you to this famous Scottish side.
It's Cossack, John Cossack for Wales, moving left to the edge of the penalty box. He chips and Rough brilliantly palms the ball over the bar.
Number one is Alan Rough, our keeper's world class. He has the safest pair of hands and shots to seldom pass. He's broke the hearts of many men, the saves that were supreme. A truly magic goalie and a credit to the team. Next in line is Danny McGrain, let me tell you now. This lad is something special and he will show you how. At fullback he is partnered by Willie Donachie. The men, the wingers fear number 2 and number 3. We're the Scottish supporters, we're faithful to our team. We'll follow them to Wembley, Liverpool or Argentine. We'll follow them forever, we'll travel far and wide. We're the Scottish supporters, faithful to our side. Gordon McQueen and Sam Forsyth are our men at the back. It doesn't matter who we play or how they will attack. We've got central defenders worth £1 million. McQueen will get them in the air and Big Tam on the ground. In midfield we've got Asa, Bruce and we've got Don. Each time they wear the Scottish blue they really turn it on. And when we go to Argentine the world is going to see a skipper lead a Scottish mates unto victory. We're the Scottish supporters, we're faithful to our team. We'll follow them to Wembley, Liverpool or Argentine. We'll follow them forever, we'll travel far and wide. We're the Scottish supporters, faithful to our side.
It's Buchan now. Martin Buchan of Manchester United picking the ball up in the centre of the park. He's moving down the right with Dalglish and Joe Jordan up in support. Buchan passes, Dalglish jumps in the goal!
In attack there is Kenny, Wally and Big Joe. The lion-hearted Scotsmen, they really have a go. They play the game in England, the Scotland's in their souls. They'll raise the Scottish standards as they score the winning goals. Now that's a Scottish line-up, what is there left to say? With these flying Scotsmen, there's no team we can play. We can march on any country, we're confident and proud. We've got the world's best leader, we've got Ali MacLeod. We're the Scottish supporters, we're faithful to our team.
And there goes the final whistle.